2022 Mercedes-AMG EQS 4Matic Plus first drive, not a Hippo in track shoes. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide information about car and motorcycle news. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. This could easily have been a disaster. Attempts to transform rolling sofas and isolation tanks into sport sedans often result in fish-nor-fowl platypuses, like a few Lexus F-Sport models we can think of. And in this case, AMG is starting with a 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQS. That full-size luxury electric sedan struck most judges at the 2022 Car of the Year proceedings as extremely cushy, quiet, isolated, pillowy, and luxurious, markedly more so than its conventionally powered cousin, the S-Class. Further complicating matters, this is AMG's first swing at modifying an electric vehicle, not counting those 9 electric SLS gullwing supercars it built in 2013. We legitimately worried the 2022 Mercedes-AMG EQS 4Matic Plus would drive like a Hippo in grippy track shoes. AMG Powertrain Enhancements. First thing to know, each of those technicians who build and autograph an AMG combustion engine won't be doing so with the EQS motors, but AMG's performance upgrades are meaningful. Both front and rear motors get new windings capable of carrying more current, with the rear incorporating 2 separate 3-phase windings. That ensures that torque is naturally biased to the rear whenever the driver requests full power, as befits an AMG product. AMG upgrades also allow the motors to spin faster to generate more power. Coping with that extra power required an upgraded cooling system that includes water lances inside the rotor shafts, additional ribs on the stators, and cooling pins on the inverter, which employs high-performance ceramics to handle the increased power. Standard combined output jumps from the EQS 580's 516 horsepower and 631 pounds-foot to 649 horsepower and 700 pounds-foot, and engaging the race start function, included in the standard AMG Dynamic Plus package, increases those figures to 751 horsepower and 752 pounds-foot for brief periods. This mode is said to deliver a 3.4-second run to 60 miles per hour, well down from the 3.7 seconds we've measured in the EQS 580. The single-speed gear reduction units get a slightly taller, undisclosed, ratio, which gives the AMG EQS a higher 155 mile/hour top speed. The EQS 450 and EQS 580 are limited to 130 miles per hour. Torque is apportioned via the AMG programmed, and, well, virtual, 4Matic Plus system, which measures and fine-tunes the front/rear power balance 10,000 times per second. Rear torque bias is increased in Sport and Sport Plus modes. When cruising in comfort mode, the rear drive unit disconnects, idling the rear motor when cruising under light loads to conserve energy. Speaking of energy, the AMG EQS carries 108 usable kilowatt-hours of it on board, same as in the other EQS models, but the AMG pack gets a unique wiring setup and a different battery management system tailored to permit faster discharge and recharge cycles. This allows it to accept up to 300 kilowatts of regenerative braking energy, up from 290 in the EQS 580. AMG chassis spiffs. No mere software tuning job, the entire AMG Ride Control Plus suspension system is sourced from a different vendor than the base EQS Airmatic system. The routing of the airlines and valves are considerably different, as are the bushings. This is an AMG suspension, plain and simple, and it's derived from the one underpinning the AMG GT 4-door. The air springs lower the body 0.8 inch at speed. The rear subframe and motor mounts, rear control arms and knuckles are AMG specific. As in the AMG GT 4-door, the dampers utilize separate jounce and rebound pressure relief valves to better fine-tune ride and handling, and they generally widen the range between minimum and maximum damping characteristics, allowing both greater comfort and improved dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.